国际新闻，咱来关心美国最高法院是裁决前总统川普。美国前总统川普伫国会暴动案有部分的赦免权，川普就可能伫选总统进前，拢唔免去出席2020年国会暴动案的审理。严格的即马，总统拜登团队是表示讲，就算真正安尼，嘛袂改变讲，伫迄天真正有暴动，而且是川普煽动的。
美国最高法院昨日以6-3裁定，前总统川普伫咧2020年国会暴动起诉案享有部分的豁免权。川普伫社群媒体讲，这是咱国宪法甲民主的大胜利。案件关键是大法官对川普迄当阵的行为认定是总统的公务也是私人行为。若是公务有豁免权，私人行为就无。所以即马川普被控想要颠覆2020大选结果的诉讼庭诉，会发挥下级法院。
Going to require more work done by the lower courts. It makes it quite unlikely that any trial for the former president could take place before the November election. Some of the core functions of being president, like for instance, vetoing legislation, could never be the subject of prosecution. But prosecutors will have a chance to present evidence to rebut that presumption.
川普的前测诉史蒂夫·巴农7月初一被抓起关，伊是因为违抗调查2021年1月初6美国国会大楼攻击事件所发的传票，被判藐视国会，判4个月。
I am proud of going to prison today. The message of President Trump is very simple: fight on.
总统拜登的团队讲，最高法院的豁免裁决，并未改变迄天暴着煽动的事实。另外，因为拜登伫咧辩论的表现被认为是灾难级，即马上新的情形是，民主党的高层已经排除将拜登换掉的可能性。
Sources told us that his family, in particular, First Lady Jill Biden and his son Hunter Biden, encouraged him to stay in the race and keep fighting. And those are the two people he really listens to the most.
拜登伫咧辩论了，甲出来人踮伫咧大卫营。纽约时报引述知情人士的讲法，拜登有一寡家人私底下对团队替伊所做的辩论准备工作正不满。根据哥伦比亚广播公司伫咧辩论了所做的民调，认为拜登无应该继续竞选的民主党人，自离家的36%增加到46%。公司新闻黄文玲编译。